Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the Blockchain Educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Ethereum gas fees are going through the roof. So an Ethereum transaction costing a lot right now. The second news is all about that investors move funds from gold to Bitcoin, and this is a very interesting new trend, and we will see which way this is going in the future. And the third news is all about that Elon Musk has tweeted again, Dogecoin. You know, it's like crazy what's going on. And of course, what happened, the reaction was Dogecoin pumped again and then dump, of course, as always. So let's talk about all this in today's video. Don't forget to educate yourself in these crazy times, because it's very important to know what to do and how to do it if you would like to trade with cryptocurrency. I made you a very free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is under this video, and you find other courses and other useful links as well. Just check it out. And also, it's very important to like this video, and after you subscribe, click on the bell button and all. Why? Because I put these videos every weekday on YouTube. So Blockchain Blooms keeps you up to date, which is very important. Every weekday you're receiving the freshest information from me here on this channel. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. So we can see right now that the Bitcoin is at $37,419, even a bit more right now, which is almost a 5% increase, 4.76. We can see Ethereum is at $1,627, more than 5% going up. So look, both of them going up quite nicely. When you're looking at the last 7 days, Ethereum went up 27%, while Bitcoin went up 20%. If you're looking at the top gainers, we have UMA at the top here with 129% in 24 hours and 243% in 7 days. Then we have, of course, Dogecoin. Our good friend Elon is pumping it now. Doge again, 59% up, and look at this crazy gain in 7 days. But we have Aave, for example, a very nice blue chip coin, which is 40% up. And yeah, things looking quite green again, just like yesterday and before. And now, when we're looking at the losers, not big losers really. Voyager token, minus 13%. Hedge Trade, minus 11%. And Terra, minus 10%. So these are the top three in the top 100. Then we're looking at the losers. And now it's time to move on to the first topic, which is all about Ethereum gas prices, which are going to the moon right now. Right now, Ethereum price is going up and people are getting crazy. You know, they're doing all these kind of transactions. They would like to get into many alts, which are, you know, Ethereum based. So they're doing like Ethereum transaction and of course Ethereum itself. And therefore the transaction fees are going through the roof at the moment. And in a second, I'm going to tell you that according to some research, what is the best time, maybe the best time to buy Ethereum related tokens, when is the gas price the cheapest, okay? But first, let's talk about this issue. So after increasing roughly 20% in the last 24 hours, I mean Ethereum, the average Ethereum transaction fees are now sitting at record $17 in average. So look, here we have some tweets, and there are some bugs, of course, because look at this here. Transaction fee almost $5,000. But this is like, okay, something wrong. But here, actually, when you're looking at Uniswap or SushiSwap, their very simple transaction was $93. Or you can see another one, it's someone else is writing 75 on SushiSwap earlier. And in dollar, here also a very interesting one. ETH has finally done it. Gas fee are higher than the token price. So yeah, what's happening now, this is actually crazy, and this is very important that really make some progress in that area and come up with something which some of the protocols might will do already in the future, and which way Ethereum 2.0 is actually going, that we have to really speed up these transactions, so there could be more transactions with this side chain and other things, and with that we can decrease the transaction fee. Because what's happening in these periods when it's a very big bull market and people like just FOMOing in and they want to buy and buy, or the opposite is happening when people want to sell and get rid of it. So anyway, in these peak periods, this kind of transaction fee, look at Ethereum, it's getting crazy, and people can lose a lot of money because they're paying high fees. Either they would like to get in or they would like to get out. And on some websites, I have found some research, very interesting things. When is the best time in the day to do transaction? And what they're saying that an analysis of the hourly predictory of Ethereum blockchain shows that the transactions are the busiest from the start of the Asian business day through the end of the Russian one. Okay? So if you're looking at this period, then this is now the busiest. And I'm looking for something. Yes, here in conclusion, they're saying that the best time to send a transaction in order to minimize the gas price and to increase its chance to being picked up is in period of low through outputs is between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. UTC time. Okay, so UTC is the Coordinated Universal Time. So this is the best time. This article goes way back to, was it August? Yeah, July actually. In July, I have found another one which discussed the same thing. In order to save on gas price, the best time to submit our transaction in the early weekend morning in Singapore time. So again, goes to Asian time. And they actually saying that day is the best to do it on a weekend morning. And the worst is on Thursday around 8 p.m., which is 12 p.m. UTC time when you're looking at the Singapore time. So what is the best for you if you're looking at this UTC time and doing it between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m.? So statistically, and actually, if you can do it on the weekend. Of course, I know the market doesn't behave like this, so you can see opportunities. You have to get rid of things. You have to escape. You have to enter. But in ideal times, when you're not in the rush, then you can try this out. Actually, drop a comment below if it really works for you, because it's interesting to find out what are your experiences. Are these data relevant or actually not that much? So we'll see, but actually on the weekend I will check it out. I will try it how the morning hours work, early morning hours. So which is basically where I live in Hungary, about 8 p.m., 7 p.m., 9ish, something like this in the evening. And on the weekend, and we will see how it works out. But if you have your own experiences, just share it with us. Let's learn from that, okay? And now let's move on to the second news, which is all about that investors move funds from gold to Bitcoin. Well, there are interesting changes in asset classes as they move funds from one kind of safe haven from another one. As the world is changing, the world is moving to the digital way. According to this article, Bloomberg's Mike McGlone says that Bitcoin could be headed to 50K as gold losses appeal. And Bitcoin will continue its bullish push towards 50K as investors move funds out of gold and into digital asset, according to the Bloomberg senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone. By 2024, he believes its volatility could even reach gold's levels, driving the price much further. In the world going digital, he stated, it's logical to expect more funds to flow toward Bitcoin and away from precious metals. And this is very interesting because definitely when we're looking at the investors, we have two big groups. One is really supporting precious metals, just like gold and silver. And another really moving digital and doing this Bitcoin. And right now we are at the state when people diversify their portfolio, and at the present more to precious metals in average when you are an investor, and a bit less to cryptocurrencies, although many people believe that actually Bitcoin can go up much more than gold. But even if you put a bit less in percentage in it to stay safe, as gold is here for a while, and they believe in gold a bit more as safe haven. However, if Bitcoin goes much more, even a smaller percentage can do pretty well. So, but what he is pointing out, it's very interesting that we can see now companies and investors who having their gold funds and they saying, okay, I would like to invest in Bitcoin and I take away some percentage from gold getting into Bitcoin. And we will see how strong it will get. More and more investors will do it. Maybe more and more percentage will move. And this will definitely make a difference in Bitcoin price. Here is also another article talking about a similar issue. Bitcoin, an emerging competitor to gold, say the CME's chief economist. And Blue Putman said gold's ongoing production likely to increase this year, contrast with Bitcoin fixed supply. So this is another issue that we do know that the Bitcoin will be, as you can see here, 21 million in maximum, reaching around 2,140, something like that. And right now it's out about 18 million 0.62 Bitcoin already mined. However, gold, when we look at the gold, the World Gold Council estimates roughly, well, let's say this, so 217,000 and so on tons of the shiny metal have been mined throughout history, with an additional 2,500, or we're looking at the brackets, then so roughly 3,000 ton of gold added each year to this. So of course, the question is how much gold we have left in the earth, but or wherever it is. But the thing is that they're digging more and more and getting out more and more. However, we do know that Bitcoin has a fixed supply, no more, and we also know how we will get it out. So it's a plan. We do know that right now the reward for Bitcoin miners is 6.25. Bitcoin at the present. After the next halving in about 3.5 years, then it will half of this, and 4 years later, half of it. So we do know how we will get Bitcoin into the system, and therefore we can calculate when it will finish exactly. I mean, roughly speaking, but plus minus minimum things. And we do know when this 21 million comes out. So the question is, will it help to increase the value of Bitcoin, because there is a limit for it? And now this digital world, there's a big change going on. And of course, it's very difficult to let go gold as safe haven and shift towards Bitcoin. Therefore, I'm pretty sure it takes many years, this kind of things to be settled. But the early signs from investors is right now that they started to take away a little bit from gold and moving into Bitcoin. Of course, it's risky because gold is out since, for a long time. And Bitcoin is a thing which started back in 2009. And how it goes and what will go with the regulations, will it survive or not? But so far, so good, okay? So far, Bitcoin is doing very well. It's a system which is working smoothly. Therefore, it could have a bright future, but of course, time will tell. Okay, and now let's move on to the third news. It is all about Elon Musk pumping Doge again. Look at this little Simba and Elon Musk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Elon Musk is pumping Dogecoin again. Let's check out the chart, how it looks like. Let's do a very fresh refresh. Oh man, look, so this is today. So this is the last 24 hours, what you can see. Again, what happened in the early morning? Couldn't sleep? I don't know. But what happened, he tweeted again, you know, you're welcome kind of thing with this little Doge. You know, he is like a real troll when it comes to this crypto, because he has this, you know, power, being the world officially, at least on the list, the world richest man. And he likes to make this kind of fun. You know, he moved Bitcoin to this Twitter bio. I put it on and then moved it from there. Then Bitcoin price jumped because Elon is doing it. And then Elon is doing some Doge things, and I think having a great fun moving Dogecoin up, and then Dogecoin goes down. So it's really, really the crazy things that's going on, and we can see the power of social media when, for example, others, you know, trust and follow, doing things, and they can move stock, they can move cryptocurrency, you name it. And yes, you can see again now Dogecoin going up. But interestingly, you know, when you're looking at Dogecoin, come on, what's going on here? Look at go to the max. And what is this? Seriously? Yeah. Look, whoever invested in Dogecoin just for fun, even like in December, have never thought about what's going to happen here with Doge. And you know, that was the time when the TikTokers wanted to push it to $1. And they said, it's like, yeah, okay, do it to $1. And that even worked. Then actually could push the price, but not as much as now with this whole, you know, social media, Reddit, Elon Musk, all these things together. They push it now extremely. And whoever bought Dogecoin for fun, because it actually has really no fundamentals. What it has is the pumpamentals, which is like pumps very well, because there is a community. They say it's like a cute dog, and then support this dog and have fun and make money, but that's it. So, well, if you're in it, then congratulations. But yeah, my strategy is, to be honest, a bit different, but it's not a bad thing to have now Dogecoin maybe, and then unit can pump. It's not financial advice because I'm not even doing it. I'm just saying that actually, if you can get some gains, free gains, sure, why not? But be very careful, because this has no fundamentals. So actually, it can pump and dump and pump and dump, and maybe forgotten after a while, maybe. But Elon Musk is supporting it, and this is a very interesting thing. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you want to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, the only thing you have to do, like and then subscribe, then hit the bell button, and then you're going to receive the notifications when a new video is out, which I put on YouTube every weekday. So with Blockchain Bloom, you can stay up to date. And of course, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. See you tomorrow. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.